No gold is not in her. She's a diamond, I'm the rough.
Hey, I just want to give a shout out to these 3 people that was the first to comment on my last video. Thank you for the love and the support. Hey, this is your Mama Coupon, and right now I'm going to show you some deals from CVS. Several people had inboxed me on Instagram asking me, can I do some deals for CVS not involving CRTs or ECBs, very beginner friendly. These are the deals that I came up with. It might not be the best, but I feel like it's okay. And of course, you know, you can use extra care books and CRTs if you have them. Also, you might hear a fan right now on the background, but I'm in my room. It's super late and it's kind of warm, so I hope you understand. All right, so for this deal, we're going to grab one of the Gillette razors and one of the Venus razors. They are on sale. Buy one, get one 50% off. They are priced at $11.29 each. So one going to be $11.29 and the other one is going to be $5.64. We have a $3 off coupon for the Gillette and a $3 off coupon for the Venus. This deal on this is when you buy 2, you get back $6 in extra care bucks. So after all my coupons and everything's applied, everything going to equal up before coupons is $16.93. After coupons, it's going to be $10.93, but you're going to get back $6 in extra care bucks. So it's going to make your final cost $4.93 for 2. So I feel like that's a decent price. If you have CRTs for this deal, please use them. If you have extra care bucks, use those too. Okay, so now I want to go to the next deal. Okay, so for this deal, we're going to grab 2 of the Colgate toothpaste that is priced at $4.99 each. And we're going to also grab 2 of the Colgate mouthwash that is priced at $6.29 each. Now, the deal for this is spend $20 in Colgate products and get $10 back in extra care bucks. Now, we have a 4 off of 2 coupon for the Colgate toothpaste, and we also have a 4 off of 2 coupon for the Colgate mouthwash, or you can get Colgate toothbrush instead. Okay, so everything that we got here going to equal up to $22.56. We're going to use those coupons, and you're going to end up paying $14.56 out of pocket for this deal. But you're going to get back $10 in extra care bucks, which is going to make your final cost $4.56 for 4 items. Now, like I said, if you happen to have extra care bucks or a CRT, an example of a CRT is like yesterday you had a spend $4 off on $20 worth of oral care. You know, you can pair that with this deal. Okay, so something like that. That's a CRT. We have CRTs that's, you know, for the item that you got, like oral care, or sometimes people will have $4 off of $20 worth of Colgate or something like that. You can pair it with this. Okay. So I just want to give you an example of what I mean by CRT. I don't have none of those CRTs, so I wish I could give you a visual example, but I don't have any of those. So anyway, let's go ahead and go to the next deal. Okay, so for this deal, we're going to grab 2 of the Copper Tone Kids Sunstream. They are $10.49 each. The deal for this is when you buy 2, you get back $10 in extra care bucks. We're going to use a $2 off coupon for this. And everything going to equal out to being $20.98 after the $2 coupon. After coupons, it's going to be $18.98. And we're going to get back $10 back for buying 2 of these. So I feel like this is a decent deal, really, if you need it and you've been out there in the sun or whatever. But I felt like it was a somewhat of a decent deal. If you have CRTs or extra care bucks, you can use it for this deal. Alright, for this deal, we're going to grab 2 of the Dove shampoo. It can be a shampoo or conditioner. They priced at $5.29 each. I grabbed 1 of the shampoo and 1 of the conditioner. And then we're going to also grab this Dove 7-in-1 Miracle Mist. And this is priced at $9.49. The deal on this is spend $20, get back $10 in extra care bucks. We have a 5 off of 3 coupon for this. So everything that we have here going to equal out to $20.07. We use the coupon that I mentioned, and your total is going to be $15.07. But you're going to get back $10 in extra care bucks for spending $20 in Dove products. Okay, well, Dove hair products. Okay, so it's gonna make your final cost $5.07 for 3 or $1.69. So I feel like that's a decent price. I know on my little breakdown I got when you buy 2, I mean when you buy $20 worth, but you see it up here in the So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and do the next deal. Of course, you already know if you have CRTs or extra care bucks, you can use it for this deal. Alright, so for this deal, you can grab the Dr. Souls, and this is the Stay Odor Free and Dry. This is priced at $8.69. The deal for this is when you buy 1, you get back $5 in extra care bucks. No coupons is needed for this. So you're going to pay the $8.69, and you're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks, making this a total of $3.69. I just felt like it was an easy, decent deal. If you happen to use this product, I feel like it was an easy, decent deal. Also, if you have extra care bucks or if you have CRTs, you can use it for this deal. Alright, so for this deal, we're going to grab a tag that is $12.99. We're also going to grab the Downy Unstoppables that are priced at $5.49. We're going to grab 1 of the Febreze air freshener that's priced at $4.69, and a Febreze small space, which is going to be half off, which is going to be $2.15. So the deal for this is spend $25, get $8 in extra care bucks. Okay, the coupons that we're going to use is $3 for the Tide, $2 for the Downy, and $3.30 off of 2 for the Febreze. Everything that we have here equal up to $25.32. After all my coupons, your total that you will be paying out of pocket will be $17.02 out of pocket, but you will get back $8 in extra care buck for spending $25, making this a grand total of $9.02 for all these items. I feel like that is a great price because the tag by itself is $12.99. Okay, so if you have extra care bucks or if you have CRTs that can go with this deal, please use it. Okay. All right, so for this deal, we're going to grab 1 of the Crest toothpaste that is priced at $3.99 and 1 of the Crest Oral-B toothbrush that is also priced at $3.99. The deal for this is when you buy 2, you get back $5 in extra care bucks. Okay, we have a $2 off for the Crest toothpaste and a $2 off for the Oral-B toothbrush. So everything that we have here equal out to be $7.98. After all my coupons and everything applied, your total is going to be $3.98, and you want to get back $5 for buying 2 of the Oral-B and Crest products. So this is going to be $1.02 money maker. Okay, so I feel like that is a great deal, for this right here. If you just starting out, I would say do this deal first. If you new to CVS, do this deal first. Okay, so anyway, we're going to go ahead and go to our next deal. Of course, you already know if you have CRTs or ECBs, you can use it on this deal. All right, so for this deal, we're going to grab 2 of the Garnier Fructis hair products. I grabbed a shampoo and a conditioner. They are priced 2 for $8. And when you buy 2, you get back $4 in extra care bucks. We're going to use a 3 off of 2 coupon for this. Everything that we have here equal out to be $8. After coupons, it's going to be $5. But you're going to get back a $4 extra care bucks for this deal, making this $1 for 2, making it 50 cents each. I feel like that is a great price for these items. You already know if you have CRTs or extra care bucks, you can use it for this deal. All right, for our last deal that I'm going to show you, and it will probably a lot more that I could probably show, but this is going to be my last one, okay? You can grab 2 of the Cheerios. They are priced at $1.99 each, and use a $1 off of 2 coupon. We have a Ibotta rebate for 75 cents when you buy 1 of the Cheerios cereal. Now you can do that up to 5 times. So anyway, so everything that we have here equal up to $3.98 after the coupons. Your total is going to be $2.98, but you're going to get back 75 cents. So basically you will get back $1.50 because 75 cents times 2. So you're going to get back $1.50. That's going to make your grand total $1.48 for 2 boxes of cereal, make it 74 cents each. I feel like that is a decent price for cereal, okay? Less than $1 when you incorporate Ibotta. Of course, if you have CRTs or ECBs, you can use it for this deal. So those are some of the deals that I came up for CVS. If y'all want me to continue doing this, I'm not really known for CVS. So several people liked my videos and they inboxed me on Instagram and asked, can I do like a beginner friendly deals without CRTs and extra care bucks? Just like I do with my Dollar General videos. So I said okay, and yeah, but if y'all happen to like this, I will probably continue doing it. If y'all say no, we'll stick with the professional, because I admit I am not good with CVS. I try, but CVS is not what I'm known for, okay? So anyway, this is Short Mama Coupon. Please like, comment, subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram. Like this video, share this video, do all those things those people tell you do at the end of the video. You already know what to do. Wash your hands, wash your body, wash everything. Just stay clean out there and also be safe. If you're interested in being a support to my channel, just like, comment, and share. Also, I have 2 other channels linked below if you want to show love and support over there. You already know, be safe out there, be safe out there, be safe out there. Anyway,